Okay, so this is the mound here. And let me show the side of it, just so you can get a view of what it looks like. I think it's some sort of ruin. And if you look over here to this side, and I'm gonna show you something really, really interesting on the top of it. So if we go over here, there's a hole that goes under it. I'm gonna go up there in a second, show you something super interesting. But first, there is a cave here. When you go in there, it goes under that mound. And there's a cave here. I mean, it's tall enough to easily walk through. There's even stairs. And it goes down and it goes into that mound. And then when you go on the stairs of it, hold on, I'm going to go to the front of it and show you. Exactly what's up there. It's very intriguing, very interesting. So these are the stairs. I'm gonna try to go up quick. All right. But no one knows what this is. But I think it's definitely made. I mean, it didn't grow like this. And then you can see some of the things like this here. This is obviously a wall. Because you see this in between here. I mean, that could be petrified wood too. But right in the middle of this thing, right under where the caves go, cave goes here, hole goes here, is this table.